Sometimes the path we walk gets a bit crowded with shadows, and our minds start to feel like a heavy mist has rolled in over the plains. We've been looking for something that would help us stay focused, and that's when we came across this productivity app called Wisey. It's designed to help you manage your day and clear that mental fog without the usual pressure of those hustle-hard apps. We wanted to see if it actually helps us stay grounded or if it's just more noise in a digital world. So let's sit with it for a moment and see how Wisey really works to help us find our focus. Moving right along, let's talk about how you actually get into this thing. One of the best parts about Wisey is that they've got both a web and a mobile version. This gives us a lot of flexibility because we can check our progress on a big screen at the desk or keep up with things while we're out and about. Taking a look at the web app first, you'll notice the interface is really clean and beginner-friendly. Right at the top, there's a navigation bar that keeps things simple with 3 main spots: Daily Plan, All Courses, and Tools. The Daily Plan is where your specific tasks and personal learning for the day live. If you want to explore more, the All Courses section has the full library of content, while the Tools section is where you'll find the productivity helpers like timers and blockers. Building on that, the mobile app is just as intuitive. When you open it up, you get a weekly calendar view at the top, which makes it super easy to see how you're doing with your goals for the week. There's also a feature to track your productivity, where you can log how you're feeling and see the connection between your mood and your output. Just like the web version, you've got your home, daily plan, and toolkit sections right at your fingertips. Even though the layout looks a bit different to fit a phone screen, the core experience is identical. It's nice because you don't have to relearn anything when switching devices, making the whole experience feel very seamless and approachable for anyone. How does this actually look in practice? We're going to use the mobile app to show you the ropes. When we jump into the daily plan, it lays out our tasks and learning for the day in a way that doesn't feel heavy. For day 1, for instance, we can see a mix of video episodes and articles. We'll start by watching a video. These are usually animated, and they're actually really engaging. They pack in a lot of key info without being boring. Once we're done, we just hit complete. If there are more videos, we can move through those, or we can dive into the daily article. After finishing the day 1 tasks, it's pretty satisfying to see the current streak and longest streak update. It gives you a little nudge to keep going tomorrow. Then, to really get into that peak productivity state, we can use the focus sessions. This is a big one because it allows us to block distracting apps so we can actually stay in the zone. You can set a specific duration for your session and even pick which days of the week you want this to be active. It's a great way to build a boundary around your work time so you aren't constantly checking social media or emails when you should be focusing. Adding to that, the habit tracker is quite robust. You can set up new habits based on what you need most. For productivity, they have options like Plan My Day, Review My Day, or Focus. But they don't stop there. They also have healthy habits like drinking water, eating your veggies, or even just remembering to brush your teeth. They've even categorized habits into mind, body, and even unhealthy habits you might want to break. For example, if we want to start planning our day, we just name the habit, set a specific goal, pick the type, and choose a start date. We can even toggle on a reminder and pick the specific days we want to stick to it, making it very customizable to a real busy life. Finally, if we head over to the toolkit section, there are even more gadgets to help us out. There's a focus timer that works perfectly for those who like the Pomodoro technique. Plus, they have these great soundscapes. You can choose different audio environments depending on what you're doing, whether that's deep focus, studying, relaxing, or just some light background noise. You can even adjust the tune sound, block apps right from there, and set your timer all in one spot. It really feels like a complete command center for your brain. Looking deeper at what makes this app stand out, it's really the focus on emotional fitness. Unlike a lot of other productivity tools that just want you to check boxes and feel guilty if you miss a day, Wisey seems to care about the why behind your habits. By combining mood tracking with task management, we can start to see patterns. For instance, maybe we realize we are way less productive on days we skip our morning walk. That kind of insight is much more valuable than just a simple to-do list. It's also worth mentioning that the bite-sized bite-sized nature of the content, the 5 to 7 minute videos and short articles, makes it much easier to actually finish. It's designed for people who are already feeling a bit stretched thin, so it doesn't add more stress to the day. That brings us to the big question. Is Wisey actually worth your time and money? Based on everything we've seen, it's a very solid tool for someone who feels like traditional productivity methods have failed them in the past. If you're dealing with burnout or struggle with things like ADHD, the low-pressure, non-punitive approach is a breath of fresh air. You don't get yelled at by the app for missing a day. Instead, it asks what got in the way. However, you do have to be mindful of the subscription side of things. Some users have mentioned that the pricing can be a bit steep if you aren't careful with the trial periods, so you definitely want to keep an eye on your account settings. Overall, if you're looking for a supportive, science-based way to rebuild your habits and understand your mental patterns, the value it provides in clarity and focus is pretty significant. Essentially, Wisey is more than just a planner. It's like a little coach in your pocket, helping you navigate your day. If you're tired of feeling scattered and want to try a gentler approach to getting things done, this might be exactly what you need. Why not download the app today and try out a focus session for yourself? Let us know in the comments how it goes for you. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.